Hi, I want to bring the instance of Industry 1.0, where the entire manufacturing was driven by the workforce, and the manufacturing output was directly related to number of people on the shop floor. And then, as the industry evolved into Industry 3.0, 4.0, where the entire manufacturing was driven by automation. So, if you look at it in Industry 3.4 or Industry 4.0, you will have machines running the entire shop floor, and there will be just 4 to 5 people driving the output of the manufacturing unit. Similar evolution happened in software, where most of the codes were manually written, and then eventually when automation was brought in, we could see lots of efficiencies. Here in Impulses, even the similar evolution has happened, and then most of our test execution happened through automation. And then by doing this, what we have seen is we have seen close to 60 to 80% of test efficiencies coming in, and then we can devote those manual efforts into other engineering aspects of our execution. So these are some of the trends as we see in FI 2023 and 2024 going forward, that shift left testing, cloud-based automation, AI in testing will be some of the themes that would come in to drive our execution in Impulses. Now, I would also want to talk about AI in testing, right? So, when initially machine learning was brought into place, I mean, we had lots of ML models that came in, and then slowly people were trying to feed data into these models to generate certain analytics out of it. And then, as the whole thing evolved, we got into the arena of generative AI, where all these machine learning models were accessible to common people. And this is where ChatGPT 1.0, 2.0 came into place. And this is where even our at Impulses, we effectively use all these technologies, especially ChatGPT 3 and ChatGPT 4, to generate lots of automation snippets by our engineers. And not only this helps us improvise our test automation, we can also use this to effectively churn out test automation code. So lots of transformation has been brought in by bringing these new AI and generative AI technologies into Impulses.